If you have a small YouTube channel, it can seem like getting a sponsorship is an impossible task. The easiest way to get paid sponsors for your small YouTube channel is to go to platforms dedicated to connecting creators to sponsors. But you should know which websites offer YouTube sponsors for small channels. Here are my top 5 sponsors for small YouTube channels. These are the best sponsorships for under 500 subscribers that I have come across. So let's begin. Freedom is by far the best YouTube network for small channels. Freedom has no view or subscriber requirements. So regardless of the number of subscribers, you can join. The link is in the description below. It also doesn't matter if you upload vlogs, beauty videos, technology videos, news, etc. The rev share starts at 60% and can grow up to 95% over time as your channel grows. Another major perk of partnership with Freedom is there are no lock-in contract. This means you can leave at any time. To join Freedom, click the link in the description which takes you to the site and then click Join Us Now. Next, you select the Gmail account associated with your YouTube channel. Then you have to enter some basic details and click Continue. Go through the startup guide. It gives you loads of information. The final step is to add your YouTube channel. Just click on Add Channels. Then it will show you your YouTube channel. Select your channel and give access to Freedom to your account. You will see your channel added and it will be under review status. Freedom will have a look and you will get an approval, or they will say why your channel is not approved if they reject it for some reason. If you like these types of videos, consider subscribing to this channel. I upload videos every Saturday with actionable tips to grow your audience and income with video. Moving on to the next YouTube sponsor for small channels, Fullscreen. Fullscreen was founded by people who worked within YouTube, having the knowledge and experience other networks may take longer to get to. Meanwhile, you will be equipped with tools to aid you with design and sales of channel-related merchandise. Detailed data and analytics are included in the package to ensure optimization and promotion of video content. It is notorious for having a starting 60% rev share and a 2-year lock-in contract. They haven't shared any requirements publicly about their views or the subscribers. Keep watching till the end of this video. I have a comparison of all these websites towards the end of this video so that you can choose the one that suits you best. The third YouTube partnership for small channels is Machinima. Machinima is the oldest network on this list. They were one of the first networks on YouTube, and while they started out being a gaming network, they now accept partners from both gaming and fandom genres. The perks Machinima offers are your standard set for a network. They do provide custom sponsorship for their partners as well as some really good statistic tools in their dashboard. The next free YouTube partnership for small channels is Zonis. Zonis, it's one of the best multi-channel networks on YouTube that offers a lot of apps, graphic designer team, detailed statistics and so forth. They accept all types of channels and there is no lock-in contract. I couldn't find any specific requirements on subscribers or views on the site. So you can check it out and see whether this is something that will work for you. The fifth one is ZoominTV. ZoominTV is one of the largest networks out there. Based in Netherlands, these guys also own a major TV station there. So they have a lot better ad revenue due to ad sales teams they have in their company. The requirements are high, but it's really worth it because it's one of the biggest and trusted YouTube networks, and sometimes they accept channels with less views than required. Mainly it depends on the channel. This network is really good for those who want to get paid via Western Union or transfer money directly to your bank account, because most YouTube networks support only PayPal for payments. So far, I've covered 5 websites and here is a summary so you don't have to look further on how to get sponsored on YouTube for your small channel. But remember, your small channel won't stay small for long. These additional ones you see are websites you can look into when your channel grows. At the time of recording, FameBit requires 5,000 and Grapevine requires 10,000 subscribers. I hope this video on best YouTube networks for small channels helps you to start making money on YouTube, even if you have a small YouTube subscriber base. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like. I upload videos every Saturday filled with actionable tips to grow your audience and income with video. Make sure you subscribe.